Imagine if every pre-save got you a real fan, someone who saves your music for life, joins your email list, and shows up on release day without you having to remind them. I'll show you exactly how to set this up. Hey, I'm Graham, I run Data Transmission, the online dance music authority. We have got 5 record labels, and we put music out every week. We've helped thousands of artists grow their fan base, hit millions of streams through my course, The Artist Blueprint. So when I say pre-saves are broken for most artists, I've seen it firsthand. Most artists set up a pre-save and hope for best. But let's be real, pre-saves alone don't build real momentum. They're forgettable. Fans get nothing. And on release day, crickets. If you're a music producer or an artist dropping music in 2025, you can't afford to waste that window. That's why I'm going to show you the new way to run a Spotify pre-save campaign, one that actually grows your fan base, collects emails, and builds long-term support. And we'll use a tool called Hypeddit to set it all up, including the part where we turn one pre-save into a lifetime fan. Whether you're releasing music in the next week or every 4 to 6 weeks, this is the system you'll wish you had set up sooner. So let me show you exactly how to set this up and why it's the most powerful release strategy you're not using yet. Most pre-save campaigns don't convert because they don't offer fans anything. You're asking them to click, log into Spotify, and set up a song they haven't even heard yet. That's a big ask with zero upside for the fan. And unless they're already a super fan, most people will scroll past, they'll forget, or they'll think, I'll listen to this when it's out. And then they never do. The old pre-save model works with a warm audience, people who already know you. But if you're trying to grow and reach a new fan list and build your list, it falls flat. So here's the shift. Instead of asking fans to do something for you, flip it. Give them a reason to act right now. That means offering them something instantly valuable in return for that save. We call that a rapid reward. What could your rapid reward be? Think a VIP edit, a remix pack, an a cappella download, a bonus track, a private video, or access to your fan club. And the best part is, once someone's opted in, you're not just getting a save, you're getting an email and a Spotify follow and the chance to turn that person into a long-time fan. That's what we're building here, not just hype, but an infrastructure. So let me show you how to do that. 1, this is inside Hypeddit. Start setting up with the pre-save campaign. We're going to jump into my computer just now. Let's jump into Hypeddit and let's build this out, starting with the pre-save setup. Okay, we're in Hypeddit. This is the dashboard. We're going to jump into the smart links section and we're going to start a pre-save smart link. Now we're going to need the source, and for this we are going to need the URI. So we go to music, we go to upcoming on the artist, on your artist page, and you're going to go to copy URI. If it's not in upcoming, then you can't set it up yet. You need to wait a little bit, but as long as it's in upcoming, copy the URI and you're good to go. You're going to paste that into here. Hypeddit's going to find it automatically and change it. Choose the release date. This is the 20th of August 2025. Choose the genre. This is Tech House. Enter the artist name and title. Click next. Upload the artwork. I have some social icons at the bottom for SoundCloud and Instagram for the label. Okay, now these are the links. So we're going to Spotify, add to playlist, capture email. Some people might delete all these other ones and just have the focus of just going to Spotify. I add a SoundCloud because we already upload it to SoundCloud straight away to give it a bit of promotion. We've got big SoundCloud accounts, so it makes sense for us to use those in the pre-promotion. Also, we have a track source exclusive. Now, we use track source a lot for this record label. As our exclusive partner, they go on track source 2 weeks before they go on everyone else. From a download point of view only, goes on Spotify and all the streaming platforms at the same time. So we're going to focus on any sales going to track source. Track source support our label because of the size of the label we are. They support the label loads. If you're not familiar with track source, it's really like house, deep house, tech house, a bit of techno, a bit of deep tech. Really good for that types of genres of music. And if you're a small label, there are so many more wins with track source than there are with some of the bigger platforms like Beatport. And that is that. Going to give us the URI, which is perfect. That's the one you're going to share on all your social media, on other platforms, and get people to click on that to go to buy or stream. We can choose an audio preview. We're going to choose SoundCloud. That's why we kind of upload it to SoundCloud a little bit first, so you can use that audio preview and people can listen to it on those links. I also have the tracking pixels for our Facebook ads, Google ads, TikTok, and even we've got Snapchat ads as well. That's that. I'm going to create that now. That's that done. We can copy that link and I can go and put it back on SoundCloud. So then if you're finding it from SoundCloud, you can then either buy it on TrackSource or go to the streaming platforms. If we click into that and look, it's now going to set up all of these links for us for play, pre-save, download, buy, and you can reorganize these depending on how you want, and you can also click on it to listen to. That's perfect. That's done now. So now you've got your pre-save page live. It collects emails, follows your Spotify, and saves the track on release day. But right now, fans are still doing all the work. You're still asking them to act without offering them anything in return. So let's fix that right now. Add a rapid reward. In the next step, I'll show you how to add a rapid reward, something your fans actually want. So you can actually convert more people, growing them into your list faster and build real excitement before release day. If you make music and want smarter strategies like this, don't forget to hit subscribe because I drop new videos every week to help you grow your audience and not just your follower account. Step 2, how to set up a rapid reward pre-save campaign in Hypeddit. Okay, let's build out a pre-save campaign the right way. Let's jump back into my computer and let's jump into Hypeddit again. We can set up our rapid reward pre-save campaign. So I'm going to log into Hypeddit and then we're going to go to share music at the top and choose download gate. Okay, now the URL source. I'm again going to use my SoundCloud upload because it's going to give me that player. It's a great source. We're going to choose Tech House. And this time I've made a little clip, a 60-second preview, which we're going to give away as a free download. You can use the SoundCloud drop in a file. This is a part fans actually hear before the release day. It gives context, builds hype, and helps their page convert. Now scroll down to choose what the fans are going to do. So it's already put the titles in because it's pulled from SoundCloud. Put the links back in. We're going to go down to the gate steps. We want to collect their email. I'm going to delete the SoundCloud. This isn't for this one this time. And this time we're going to choose Spotify. And we're going to say pre-save unreleased track or album to fans library. Now again, we're going to grab that URI. And we're going to paste that in there. Title is winning. Artist name is Basil 1. Release date is the 20th. We're also going to say follow the artist or playlist. We'll put the artist in here. We've now clicked the pre-save unreleased track or album to add it to the Flyers label. We added our URI, so it actually pulls the track from Spotify. We've added the artist name and the release date. We've also got it to follow the artist and our own playlist. Perfect. The key actions here for me are collect email, Spotify pre-save, Spotify follow, and this gives you an email address for future releases. And make sure your fans actually get the track saved when it drops. And this is important, using the RSCIC, not the Spotify URL, and that kind of connects Hypeddit a little bit easier. Ensuring the track lands in your fans' liked songs when it drops. That's where the algorithm engagement really starts. Next, choose what your fans will get as a reward. You can upload that bonus track, remix stems, VIP edit, whatever adds value. This makes your campaign worth it for the cold fans. And we'll go deeper into that section. So set up your genre, your theme. I actually use the light theme. I think it's clean, mobile friendly, and it converts well. Now hit save and you've got a working pre-save page with a capture email, a Spotify action, and a fan reward built in. We're now going to scroll down, choose next. This is going to give us URL again. Yes, we want to set this for future releases. We're going to choose that. And we're going to choose our pixel again in case we want to run ads on this. And then we're going to click create. We're going to connect that to the SoundCloud. And that's now giving us this new link. And our gate is ready. So we now have this download gate that basically, if anyone downloads this little clip of the track, then essentially they're going to follow and pre-save the track for the upcoming release. You also could do other free saves in there. You could also give away other things in there. You could actually have a whole different free download campaign that comes out maybe 2 weeks before the release. Maybe you've planned a really cool edit or free download that you give away to build fans before a release and get them following your other releases. That's the full pre-save system in place. Next, I'll show you how to upgrade that, and this page will be adding a more powerful fan reward so people actually click save and join your email list. Everything I'm doing and showing you is all in a tool called Hypeddit. It's what we use for our label releases, all our students use it, and the link is in the description to create your own account and get that set up today. If you set that up today, you can follow along and start building while you watch this video. Now you have that high converting pre-save campaign. Fans get something in return. You get their email address, you get music saved on release day. But what if you didn't have to do this all over again the next time you drop a track? What if one fan action meant that you automatically saved every song you ever release? That's exactly what's happening with Hypeddit's lifetime fan system, and it's the smartest part of this strategy. So let me show you how this works. Step 3, set up lifetime fans in Hypeddit. From your dashboard, head to account section and then click lifetime fans. This is where you create your artist profile, a smart link where fans can opt in to follow you forever, not just on Spotify, but also you get their email. For our final one, we're going to set up our lifetime fans. Now head back to the dashboard and there's this big box, lifetime fans, create artist profile. Click on that and it's going to take you through and say create profile. Now in here, you're going to set up your artist profile. I'll do it for myself, Ron Mexico, as an artist. So I'm going to copy my artist URL from Spotify directly and I'm going to click next, Ron Mexico. You could change this description if you wanted to. We could change the cover art. That's a really old picture of me. Wow. Add Spotify, that's fine. Light, show icons. Again, you might add your own kind of SoundClouds, Instagrams below there. And in here, it's going to go to the Spotify artist profiles add. Perfect. That's all we need. Let's put Ron Mexico in here. I use Ron Mexico DJ, so I'm going to keep that the same, use the same as all my other URLs. Again, set my tracking pixels up so I can send people from ads to that ad and then create that page. So now we have this lifetime page, artist profile set up, which again, you can put that on all of your social media. You can preview that page, really simple, and this is what the fans will see. Create that artist profile page, add your name, add your Spotify link, and a headline that will keep it simple. Never miss a release. Get every track on every drop the moment it happens. It works like a forever pre-save. Once they opt in, every future release gets added to their library automatically, and Hypeddit emails them as soon as it drops. This means even more saves, more streams, and more algorithmic reach without you lifting a finger. You can also share this link in your Instagram bio, TikTok, emails, or even at the end of regular pre-save campaigns. And here's the best part. If someone downloads your reward or pre-saves the track through Hypeddit, they'll automatically get invited to become a lifetime fan. It's built in, no extra setup. So that's the full system. Once you've collected your fans' email, it follows you on Spotify, it saves the track and gives them a reward and invites them to join your lifetime fan list. And once they're in, they're in. No more begging for people to save your next track. That's how you build a long-term fan base, not just hype, my friends. This is exactly the kind of system we help artists build inside my course, The Artist Blueprint. My complete course for music producers and DJs who want to stop guessing and start growing fan bases. We cover everything from how to grow your audience, plan your releases properly, promote your music, and build real fan bases that actually show up for you. If you're tired of posting into the void or wasting releases with no plan, this proves a step-by-step roadmap. I'll drop the link below if you're ready to take it seriously, or comment blueprint and I'll reply with the link. It's also in the description. So let's recap the complete system. 1, set up your pre-save with your email collection, Spotify follow, and auto-saving using a Hypeddit system. Step 2, add a rapid reward, something that fans actually want in return. Step 3, turn that into a lifetime fan so they get every future release without you lifting a finger. This isn't just a smarter way to launch your next track. It's a system that builds your email, grows your Spotify, and turns casual listeners into real supporters. Sounds epic, doesn't it? Everything I've showed you today is built within Hypeddit. It's free to start and we've linked it below so you can set up yours now. And if you've got bootlegs, edits, or remixes sitting on your hard drive, watch this next video where I show you how to set them up as a free download campaign using Hypeddit and how to promote them going forward. It's the best way to grow your email list and get DJ support and turn those casual listeners into fans, even between official releases. Go and check it out right here and I'll see you in that one.